All right. Well, hello everyone. I recorded this video so I can show you how to store all of your scripts, okay, in one location. So for an example, if I were on Facebook, okay, and let's just say I went to one of my groups and I wanted to message people, right? So I'm going to show you, for example, I'm going to show you what the keyboard would look like. The keyboard would look like this here. So if I see this name, I want to message this person here, right? You see at the bottom, I have all of my scripts down there below, okay? This is through what's called WordBoard, okay? So when I hit this here, Crypto Queen script, the script automatically populates. So when I'm doing this, it allows me to send out scripts very, very quickly. As you can see, I don't have to worry about anything. Even if I were talking to a guy, if I was sending out a script to a guy, I can do the same thing. So if I hit Brandon and message him, all I would have to do is just hit Crypto's King script and it has it already there. Hey King, see? So you guys can send out dozens of messages like this. Hold on, sorry. You guys can send out dozens of messages like this, and it will allow you to message everyone. Okay, it's really, really cool. As you can see, you guys can go really, really quickly with this. Okay. All right. So let me show you guys how to get it. So the first thing you have to do is go to the App Store and you want to click WordBoard. Just type it in the search. Just type in WordBoard in the search. This will pop up. Okay. It'll look just like this. And for you, I already have it downloaded. Just go ahead and download it or hit get. And then once it says open, once it's downloaded, just click open. And it's going to look like this, except you might not have any of these here, okay? So you just hit the plus sign that's to the right, and then you hit where it says custom button. Now it's going to say date and time button, folder, page break, line break. You can learn about all those different buttons later. I just want to teach you about the custom button. So once you hit custom button, then when you put the phrase in, this is what you see on the keyboard at the bottom. Look at the bottom, peak interest, show video, go E1U instructions. So whatever you want your title to be, and then the phrase, well, I like to call the phrase that pays. That phrase is whatever you want that button to say. Okay. All right. So then once you finish doing that, you'll hit save, and then you can go right back into wherever you guys message people at. Okay. Wherever you guys message people at, you guys can go and start sending out dozens and dozens of messages very, very quickly. Okay. As you guys can see, I've already messaged this person, but you can just do it like this here. Just boom. And it just goes through just like that. Okay. Very, very quickly. This guy's name is King James. So I'm going to hit Crypto King script. See that? And automatically. And you can download as many scripts. You can download as many. Like links for videos, whatever you can download, you can save it all in there. Okay. So you guys don't have to think about what you guys are going to say, or go somewhere like in your notes and look for copy and paste. It's all right here in WordBoard. Enjoy. Let's work.